Avocados aren't just the overpriced topping on toast that millennials get blamed for loving. They're basically a nutritional Swiss Army knife wrapped in green velvet. Beneath that buttery flesh lies a trifecta of genomic guardians: monounsaturated fats, lutein, and vitamin E. Together, these compounds operate like a cell maintenance crew, working overtime to keep lipid membranes supple and DNA strands smooth and unbroken, even in the face of oxidative chaos and everyday metabolic mayhem. So while avocados may look soft and harmless, they're actually molecular bodyguards for your genome, dressed in guacamole. Let's start with the fats. Avocados are rich in oleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid also found in olive oil, and this fat is like the preferred construction material for your cellular membranes. Every cell in your body has a membrane made of lipids, and the quality of that lipid layer matters a lot. Monounsaturated fats give membranes the Goldilocks effect: not too rigid, like saturated fats, not too leaky, like polyunsaturated fats in excess, but just right. That balance ensures that receptors on the membrane function properly, nutrients get in, toxins stay out, and the whole operation runs with military-grade efficiency. When membranes are built with good fats, they're less likely to oxidize. And oxidation is the beginning of a cellular train wreck. Once lipid peroxidation starts, free radicals go rogue, attacking proteins, mitochondria, and yes, DNA. By reinforcing membrane integrity, the oleic acid in avocados indirectly shields the DNA housed within. It's like protecting a house by reinforcing the windows and walls. The burglars, oxidants, never get the chance to ransack the valuables inside. Now let's talk antioxidants, because avocados have a pair of pretty impressive ones: vitamin E and lutein. Vitamin E is fat-soluble, meaning it integrates right into the cell membrane like a built-in fire extinguisher. It sits patiently in the lipid bilayer, waiting to neutralize any rogue free radicals before they spark a chain reaction. When DNA strands get damaged by oxidative stress, think strand breaks, base modifications, or chromosomal aberrations, vitamin E steps in like a molecular firefighter, keeping the surrounding environment calm and suppressing the drama before it reaches the nucleus. Lutein, on the other hand, is a carotenoid most famous for eye health, but it turns out the brain and other organs like it too. It doesn't just sit around absorbing blue light. It's also a potent quencher of singlet oxygen and other reactive species that would otherwise attack both lipids and DNA bases. Lutein gets incorporated into cell membranes, particularly in high metabolism tissues like the brain, where it offers neuroprotective benefits and possibly enhances DNA repair mechanisms in glial cells and neurons under stress. And here's the plot twist: the compounds in avocados don't just defend, they also help rebuild. There's evidence that monounsaturated fats can influence gene expression via modulation of transcription factors and nuclear receptors. In particular, they affect PARs, peroxisome proliferator activated receptors, which regulate genes involved in inflammation, lipid metabolism, and cellular survival. When your diet leans on quality fats like those from avocados, your genome gets the message: stay calm, stay resilient, keep the repair crews on speed dial. Even telomeres, the protective caps on the ends of chromosomes, may benefit from this avocado-driven shield. Diets high in antioxidant-rich, monounsaturated fat foods are associated with slower telomere shortening, which is basically the molecular equivalent of aging in reverse. That doesn't mean you'll live forever if you eat enough guacamole, but it does suggest your DNA will hang in there longer before fraying at the ends like a well-worn shoelace. And because avocados are also rich in folate, copper, and glutathione precursors, they support methylation cycles and detoxification pathways that further guard against DNA instability. These nutrients help your body recycle homocysteine and keep oxidative stress low, a less glamorous but crucial part of keeping your genome intact through the decades. So next time someone rolls their eyes at your avocado obsession, just tell them you're protecting your phospholipid bilayers, maintaining telomere length, and promoting error-free DNA replication. Because in the microscopic world where aging starts, that green fruit isn't a trend, it's a strategy. Avocados are basically doing genomic maintenance while you're just enjoying toast.